Hey, what's going on, guys? Got another tutorial for you. This one's going to be Wild, Wild, Wild by Lyfe Jennings. Go ahead and play through the verse chords. Okay, so we're going to be starting on an F minor 7. C sharp major 7, C minor 7, to B flat minor 7, and then ending on an E flat major 11. So all together we have this. Okay. Then when we get to the bridge, we're going to go back to this B flat minor 7, and I'll play through it. So we go back to this B flat minor 7, which we already know. Then we're just going to go to an E flat, and then go back to our F minor 7, and then we do that again. And then when we're ending the bridge and going back to the chorus, we're going to go back to the B flat minor 7, and we're just going to be walking that up. Then we go back to the C minor 7, then we go to the C sharp major 7, and then we're going to the E flat major 11, but we're going to be playing it up here. Or you could also just go back to this shape as well. So yeah. Then we go back to the verse chords and chorus chords.